In the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, we invite you to experience the magic of Ireland in your own home.
Today we are highlighting our golden countertops, inspired by the legendary pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
First up is Silestone Eternal Calcutta Gold.
Silestone's Lusso.
Granite New Venetian Gold.
Granite Golden King.
Granite Iberian Gold.
Granite Black Galaxy.
Cambria's Golden Dragon.
Viva's Heart of Gold. Cambria's Botanical Gold Warm. Are you ready to be out with the old and in with the gold?
Contact us today or one of our wholesalers to bring the luck of the Irish into your home with our exquisite golden countertops.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.